Thinking about setting up a WhatsApp business account? In this video, we'll provide you with the step-by-step guide. Let's jump right in. Begin by downloading the WhatsApp Business app from the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. After installation, open the app. You'll encounter the Terms of Service prompt. Give it a read and tap on Agree. Following that, select your country and input your business contact number. Choose how you'd prefer to receive the verification code, via call or text. Enter the 6-digit code to complete the verification process. Once again, a prompt will appear, asking if you want to sync contacts and photos. If you wish to sync, tap on Allow. If not, tap on Don't Allow. Now proceed to fill in essential details, such as your business name and category. You can also add a profile picture, a description of your business, your address, the number of hours the business is open each day, links to your social media accounts, and more. That's it. You've successfully created your WhatsApp business account. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these videos curated just for you.